Friday evening, King Street, downtown. Not looking so busy from this side. Looking down the road, however. I see the magnitude of traffic. Anyway, it's a nice Friday evening. It's a bit on the warm side, yeah, but we are here working, trying to get all your packages to you on time, before time, all the time. We are 360 of where we are.
Shana Gay called me a while ago.
No, boss, I want to have it this time. Let's give me the ID. Firstly, I give you this as a gift because we appreciate the business that you're giving to us over the couple of years, months. Really appreciate it. I know you have a whole heap of things to talk about the business, you know. So I allow you to talk some things about the business. Yeah, our service. Yeah. That's a free. Like the fact that you have to come in the office, come get the thing done. Yeah. Work or home, anywhere at all. Make sure you're inviting your friends and family to be a part of it. To enjoy some of the benefits that you're enjoying. And I hope you're looking forward to Platinum Week. Platinum Day. You're Platinum already, so I look forward to it. Yeah? Yeah, get the shopping up and running.
Yeah.
Alright, alright. As you say, you're in a rush, so I'm not keep you from the job. You understand how that goes. Really appreciate it, and thanks. There you have it. You hear that? He's on the job, so we're not going to keep him. All day, every day, we're on the trail.